Hi, tiny companions! Get ready for an exciting and educational adventure as farm animals face off against wild animals in a playful battle in the mud. This fun-filled activity is perfect for kids who love animals and enjoy learning through play. See which animals can navigate a fun and challenging mud obstacle course, highlighting their agility and problem-solving skills. Begin the journey. Nature's wonders. Spotlight on the fox. Foxes exhibit a range of coat colors including red, gray, brown and silver. The red fox in particular is well known for its reddish-orange fur. Our next animal is farm animal duck. Ducks are social animals and often form flocks, especially during migration. Some species also exhibit strong family bonds. Ducks are strong flyers and their flight The hidden lives of squirrels. Squirrels have numerous natural predators, including birds of prey, snakes, and mammals such as foxes and weasels. While squirrels are generally solitary animals, they can exhibit social behavior. Decoding the language of rabbit. Rabbits have large, sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sound from various directions. This helps them be aware of potential predators. The secret lives of leopards. Leopards are known for their distinctive golden yellow fur covered in black spots and rosettes. They have a wide distribution and can be found in various habitats including grassland, savannas, A closer look at this curious goat. Goats are milk producers and their milk is often consumed as an alternative to cow's milk. Certain goat breeds, such as the Saanen and Alpine, are particularly known for their high milk production. Discovering the wonders of a unique llama. Llamas are large, long-necked mammals with a camel-like shape. They have a distinctive appearance with a long face, large eyes, and long ears. The untold story of moose. Male moose have impressive antlers, which are the largest among any living deer species. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds or more. Get ready for the sheep adventure! There are over 1,000 different breeds of sheep worldwide. These breeds vary in size, color, and the quality of their wool. Sheep are social animals and have a strong instinct to flock together, contrary to popular belief. Next is Queen of the Wilderness, Lioness. Lionesses are strong and agile. with powerful bodies that enable them to take down that can be as heavy as themselves. They have sharp claws and strong jaws, making them effective predators. In the realm of the Puma, they are large cats with males typically weighing between 115 to 220 pounds, 52 to 100 kg, and females ranging from 64 to 141 pounds. Pumas have slender bodies. Encounter the bull in its habitat. Bulls are generally larger and heavier than cows. The size and weight can vary significantly depending on the breed. Bulls are often used symbolically. In many cultures, they represent strength. The endearing nature of donkeys. Donkeys are known for their hardness and ability to adapt to different environments. They can thrive in arid regions and are often used in agriculture in such areas. A portrait of wolves in nature. Some wolf species, such as the red wolf and the Mexican gray wolf, are considered endangered. Wolves have played significant roles in various cultures and mythologies. Unveiling the world of elephants. The two main species of elephants are the African elephant and the Asian elephant. African elephants are generally larger than Asian elephants. Elephants are known for their remarkable memory. Journeying forward to the bears. Despite their massive size, bears can be surprisingly fast and agile. They are capable climbers and swimmers, and some species are known for their ability discovering the charisma of pandas. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. Pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo. Journey into the Rhinoceros realm. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. The white rhinoceros is the largest species, with males weighing up to 2,300 kilograms. Rhinos can be found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, nature's black and white wonder zebra. Zebras are social animals and often form groups called deserts or zeal. These groups provide protection against predators. Zebras communicate with each other using vocalizations such as barks, whinnies, and snorts. Through the eyes of black bear. American black bears are omnivorous, meaning they will eat a variety of things, including both plants and meat. Their diet includes roots, berries, meat, fish, insects, unveiling the hippopotamus wonders. Hippos are known for being highly territorial and aggressive, especially when it comes to protecting their territory or offspring. They are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. The life and times of camels. Camels can drink large amounts of water in one go when it's available, storing it in their bloodstream. They are capable of surviving for long periods without water, as they can lose up to 25% journey into the lives of white tigers. White tigers are extremely rare in the wild and their population is primarily found in captivity. They are often bred in zoos for their unique appearance. White tigers have a creamy white fur. Unwrapping the tails of the cow. Female cows, known as cows or heifers, produce milk. The milk is a rich source of nutrients and is commonly consumed by humans in various forms like milk, cheese, and yogurt. They have a specialized digestive system. Insights into lives of dogs. Dogs come in a wide range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua to the giant Great Dane. The smallest dog ever recorded was a Yorkshire Terrier, weighing just 4 ounces. The spellbinding world of polar bears. Polar bears are particularly vulnerable to climate change because they rely on sea ice to hunt for seals. The reduction in Arctic sea ice due to global warming poses a significant threat to their population. Comprehensive look at horse. Horses have panoramic vision, meaning they can see almost 360 degrees around them. However, they have a blind spot directly in front and behind them. Horses belong to the species Equus ferocebulus. There are numerous horse breeds. A closer look at tiger kingdom. Tigers are primarily nocturnal, which means they are more active during the night. Their excellent night vision and keen sense of smell aid them in hunting in low light conditions. Unlike many other big cats, tigers are good swimmers. Appreciate your time devoted to watching farm animals versus wild animals battle in the mud. Educational fun facts for kids episode. Subscribe now for the farm animals versus wild animals battle in the mud. And enjoy a day of muddy fun, learning and playful competition. Stay ready for more muddy expeditions. Take care, young explorers!